So today in this video I'm going to be talking about pinkyparadise.com. Pinkyparadise.com is a website where I've talked about them before. They sell coloured contact lenses. In previous videos you might have seen my eyes being quite large and green. They are from pinkyparadise.com. Pretty much all of my contact lenses are from pinkyparadise.com. So they sent me over some to try out and I have some in now. The ones that I have in now are these ones, which are the Barbie Soft Cosmetic Contact Lens, and these ones are the I can't remember what colour they are, but they're the black ones. The black ones, I will do like an up close kind of look at them in a moment, but as you can see these ones are mostly black. They allow a little bit of your own colour to come through, but these ones in particular I found easy to get out of the little jars. Usually with contact lenses I struggle like hell to get the actual, they're all sealed so they're all sanitized and everything, but they have like a metal stopper around them, and getting that off is usually such a pain. With those ones it was very easy. With the other set that I was sent it was a much more of a struggle. I don't know if that's a talk on quality of materials when making them, I'm not sure, but these ones are the other ones that I will show you in a second. These ones are the Princess Pinky ones. I will have links to both of the sets in the down bar. These are the black ones. They're mostly black, as I said. They make my eyes a little bit bigger than what they normally are. I also want to show you this, which they sent me, which I've never actually had. It's a little travel case for contact lenses, and I've never had one of these. So I've had like these. I've had like these that they send you as well. These are like little hippos, I think this is. Like a little hippo fun case thing. But this one is like a proper, you get a mirror and everything. So in this one you get your little case to put your contact lenses in. You get a little thing for your solution, which, if I can get it out, is very handy. And then you also get these two tools, which I don't know what I would do without them at the moment, because, okay, let me show you them. They look scary as hell. You get some tweezers and then you get this little thing that has like a suction cup kind of thing on the top. So these, if you have long nails, these are a godsend, because if you have contact lenses and you have long nails like I do, I cannot wait to get these done. These are getting done on next Thursday and I cannot wait. So these make it easier to get the contact lens out of your eye, because it has like a little bit of rubber that's soft. There's no issues with like grabbing hold of the contact lens and getting it out with these. I have no issues whatsoever. I love these things, and these make it easier to put the contact lens in. So you will just carefully place the contact lens on there and then kind of it suction cups to your eye. It sounds scarier than it is. Like when I first got my first set of these I was scared to death of actually using them. But once you get used to them they are a godsend, because if you try and kind of get a contact lens out and you've got long nails, it hurts so much. Like you will nip your eyeball, oh, it's horrible. So no on that. Those are very good, and that little set is just beautiful. I love that. That's really nice. Thank you, Pinky Paradise. They also sent this over, which has a bunch of stickers in it, I believe. Okay, the first little freebie that you get is one of the hair Velcro things. Now these are really handy. I keep losing mine, so I'm glad that I've got another set. I've only ever got these from Pinky Paradise, but these are so handy. They're like Velcro kind of things, but it's like really soft, so literally if you want to get your hair out of the way, there you go, that's your hair out of the way, and it doesn't damage your hair at all. They're so good if you want to put makeup on in the morning. They're amazing. Okay, the next thing in here, ooh, it's quite good. This is Collagen Crystal Eye Bag Mask. I've never seen these before. Well, I have, but they were hella expensive. So I don't know how much these are worth, but that is going to be really nice. I'm going to enjoy putting that on my under eyes. And then we get some stickers, which is very, very handy. Look at them. They're really nice. Oh, they're really such a good idea as well. They have like an opened on, like day and month stickers, so you can put them like on the underside of your contact lenses, so you know when you open them, so you know when to throw them away, because you can only kind of keep them for a year, so yeah, be careful with that. Change contacts. It's a little, oh, these are, okay, these are kind of for your like journal. That's kind of good. It tells you, you've got stickers to like tell you to when to change your contacts, so you can stick that in your journal. So, oh my god, that's such a good idea. So yeah, they're really, really good. So I'm going to show you a close-up now of this look. Okay, so using my new tools, I'm going to get these out and put in my other ones, and you'll see that they're a little bit more in your face. Okay, so this is the second pair, and I know that they are not going to be to everyone's taste, and I'm probably not going to wear them out of the house unless it's Halloween, because they are yearly, so I can wear them next Halloween, so that's pretty good. So these are white. They block out most of your own colour of your eyes and just leave you with the pupil, which I think is really, really a cool look, and I do look very dead right now. It looks even worse in the camera than what it does in real life. So yeah, these ones are very, very comfortable. You would not believe how comfortable these are if I was to tell you, but there's no issues. Like, I can't really, there's a little tiny little bit, like if you move your eyes very quickly you will kind of see them moving slightly, like a little bit of white, but then it just goes back to where it should be, and you know, that's not a big issue. And the longer that they settle into your eyes, you kind of get used to them more, and they move around less in your eyes, and yeah, they're just, I can't believe how comfortable they are. Because I've had contact lenses before. I've had some white lenses that literally took out all the colour in your eye, but left you with like checker marks, so you literally couldn't see anything, and it was horrible. These are incredible. I love these. They're gonna be so good at Halloween. They're gonna be amazing. I just love them. They're just freaky as hell. So I'm gonna take some photos now on my old phone and insert them here.